Hi, my name is Alfred Kinsai, the strategic realist. We're taught that debt is evil, that you should pay it off, the sooner the better, that it's a burden, that it's a lie, and it's that lie that's killing the growth of your business. Most managers operate from a place of fear, the fear of being in debt. They rush off to pay a small business loan the second they have extra cash. They want peace of mind. But peace of mind is not a strategic objective. It's a strategic idealism. The hope of having zero risk in a VUCA world. And that idealism will leave you stagnant. So this is not applicable especially in this age now, no? Yung volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous world, no? Okay, we cannot be idealist as if we're still operating in the 70s or 80s. Debt isn't a strategic burden. It's a weapon of leverage. It's OPM, other people's money. It's capital that you can deploy to generate returns far greater than interest cost. Ito yung essence ng financial leverage, a concept that we have discussed, no, in the previous videos. Now, the strategic realist rule is simple. If the return on investment you can generate from deploying that loan capital is far greater than the interest rate you're paying, then you should never pay off that loan immediately. You keep that money working for you. So it's like, pabayaan mong ano, no, magtrabaho yung inutang mo para sa'yo, no? Kung mas mataas rin naman yung kinikita mo, for example, no, sa isang condominium, no? Nag-invest ka sa isang condominium, eh nagbabayad ka doon ng interest, no? Okay, from the loan, no? Na nakuha mo sa bangko. Let's say for 8%, no? And then yung ROI mo is 15%, no? Kung kinikita mo doon sa ano, doon sa sa pinarent mo, no? So somehow nagagamit mo siya, no? It's like a good debt, no? So there are two kinds of debt, yung bad debt and yung good debt. Ito yung hindi na ituturo sa eskwelahan, no? Yung good debt, no? Working that yung kinikita mo doon, yung return, no? Okay, parang benefits over cost. Imagine you have a 10 million loan at 8% interest. You suddenly make an extra 5 million profit. The idealist pays off 5 million of the loan. The strategic realist asks, can I invest this 5 million into a new AI automation, such as fixed costs, no? Expand market reach, or buy inventory at a discount to generate a 20% ROI? So if the answer is yes, that 5 million isn't for paying down debt. It's for exponential growth. So you make the debt work for people's money. And with fixed cost, for example, no? So instead of mag-i-invest ka sa mga tao, let's say, tataas lang yung variable cost mo kasi iba-iba yung rate ng mga trabahador, no? Okay, especially depende rin dun sa kanilang expertise, no? So medyo pabago-bago 'yan. Pero yung fixed cost, no, let's say nag-invest ka ng isang beses lang, no, sa isang machine that could generate, let's say, double, triple, quadruple the output, no? Um an ordinary machine with a lot of people can do, no? So somehow medyo may kataasan nga lang kasi magi-invest ka, let's say 10 million pesos yung ano yung machine, no? Um Medyo risky nga lang yon, pero at saka mataas yung break-even point niya. Pero once na na-reach mo na yung break-even point, dito kumikita ka na. Meaning, nakuha mo na yung ano mo, yung investment mo. And puro balik na lang to. Unlike doon sa pagka nag-invest ka, let's say sa tao, no? Wala namang masama doon. But the thing is, from a strategic point of view, no? Magbabayad ka ng ng variable cost na depende doon sa ano mo, na kung gaano karami yung gusto mo, no? Ganun rin kalaki yung nai-incur mo sa variable cost. Kasi yung variable cost kasi, no? Ang nangyayari doon, no? It rises, no? The higher your output, the higher your variable cost. Unlike yung fixed cost mo, no? Regardless kung gaano karami yung output mo, fixed pa rin siya. Okay, so the more na marami kang napoproduce dun sa machine na yon with lesser people, no? Mas lalo kang kumikita, no? Mas tumataas yung iyong potential for profit. This isn't an endorsement of reckless borrowing, no? Let me remind you. Debt becomes a predator. It kills you, no? When your integrity is not your strategy. So you have to make calculated risks, no? It's not just yung being reckless. Okay? Kasi let's say for example, if you're using that debt not to finance your uh, short-term investment, siguro sa umpisa maganda 'yon, no? Pero pagkahabang nagtatagal hindi na maganda 'yon, no? Kasi dapat yung nagfi-finance doon sa short-term operations mo should come from also your short-term asset, yung operations mo mismo, kumbaga self-liquidating ka na. Now, in this image, you see that debt turns deadly when there are three things. No, number one, it's used for ego-driven, non-productive asset. No, like gusto mo lang mo kasi makita doon sa social media na meron kang flashy car, no, flashy office, no, for appearance sake, no, vanity, ika nga. So dito medyo hindi maganda yung paggamit ng debt, no? So utang ka, no? Para makita na pumapasok ka, ano ka, ang ganda ng sasakyan mo, no? Pero hindi pala nila alam, ang laki rin ng binabayaran mo, no? The next thing no? Hahatakin na lang yung sasakyan mo, no? Number two, ito yung the interest rate is too high or unstable, no? So this ties into our VUCA environment, no? Avoiding unpredictable cost, no? Just like yung sa mga variable and fixed cost, no? And yung pangatlo, no, the capital is deployed into asset that yields less than the cost of the loan. So this is simply burning other people's money. So umutang ka nga, no? Let's say for example, yung utang mo, no, may nag-interest ng 12%, pero yung balik sa nasa 8 to 10% lang. So somehow, no, para bang mas maliit yung nakukuha mo kesa yung lumalabas na interest, no? The strategic realist operates without emotion. Your loan is a tool. If the tool is still building your empire faster than it cost you, you want to keep using that tool. Don't let the fear of death blind you to the power of leverage. Master your fear of death, and you master a powerful strategic weapon. Integrity is strategy. This is just one phase of strategic mastery. Next week, we provide an actionable playbook for survival. How to pivot in a VUCA world. Strategic Realist 4-Step Playbook. Subscribe now. The Business Pivot by Alfred Kinsey.